Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're from. Welcome back to another decluttering, organizing, do-it-yourself video. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be replacing my kitchen tap because this one doesn't shut off properly. It'll shut off, but I have to constantly just remember to shut it off. Otherwise, I'll be sitting watching TV or something like that, and all I hear is a drip, 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 and it's kind of annoying. So we're going to replace that, and then I also got some organizing under the sink organizers because underneath my sink is complete chaos, and so I want to organize it. I got both of these items actually off of Amazon, so hopefully they'll do well. If I can find the link, I will link them below. And yeah, so let's get started. Wish me luck. First is the task of emptying this out, so that's what I'm gonna
do. If there is a warm cup of coffee, if there is a laugh to share, it's with you.
This is how I organized everything under the sink, and then I can't find anything. Obviously, it's all buried. I don't even know what I have in here anymore. Okay, so directions. Obviously, gotta shut the water off. I just hope I know what I'm doing.
If there is a laugh to share, it's with you. In morning light, you hear my story. Oh, and it's good to have a friend like you. There are times when I wanna be lonely. There are times when life can be downright cruel. Life is up and...
So it's been about, I'm gonna say about an hour and a half later, and it's finally done. I can probably pull this out now. There for a while, I was like, I couldn't figure out why I couldn't take it off. I even called a plumber because I'm like, why can't I do this? Anyhow, I told a girlfriend of mine, and I ended up FaceTiming her, and I went under the sink to show them what I was doing. And it was these little plastic things that I had to unscrew that I swear to God, it was like Fort Knox trying to get in and undo these. It was so hard. It took me a good almost hour. Anyways, it's done. Thank God. So that's hopefully I can put this together properly. So yeah. Yay. Yeah, see? These were on here and I couldn't get them off at all. This is gross. Ooh. So that's fun. I'm gonna have to put that plate on because I have 3 holes. I didn't want to put the plate on, but I'm gonna have to try and wash this without water. See how I do. The cool thing about the 3 holes is that if I ever wanted to, I guess I could put like a water filter in maybe, or a soap dispenser. Okay. Options are endless.
Oh, it's all love. That's how you remind me. Oh, that it's good to have a friend like you. With summer barbecues to shake me, and midnight runs from red and blue lights.
So here's something funny, is I bought a brushed chrome faucet and my sink is stainless steel. So it doesn't really match, but at this point I don't care. I don't care. It's not level. I don't know, whatever.
It's
all a learning curve.
Oh, that it's good to have a friend like you. There are times when I wanna be lonely. There are times when life can be downright cruel.
I don't know how that's gonna work.
Oh, it's all love, that's how you remind me.
Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Oh, it fell.
To have a friend like you.
I understand how that's supposed to stay. Doesn't make sense to me.
So change of plans. It's not working. The way the thing was installed, for some reason there's a board across, and it's kind of hard to explain. Maybe I'll try and put a screen up top or whatever and show you what it looks like if I can. So there's a board, and then so the bottom part of the faucet goes in, and whatever I need to screw on there won't go through because there's a board there, and the bottom of the faucet is flush with where the board is. So I can't put the mount on there. So I went to Home Depot because I might either have to saw that wood out, and maybe that'll work. Or what I did was I bought another faucet, and hopefully maybe this will work because it's a different mounting system. Either or, one of these is going back. I'm either returning one to Amazon or returning one to Home Depot. I don't know which one yet. So hopefully this gets fixed. So a project that should have taken 30 minutes maybe has now been about 4 hours. So this has been fun. But I'm determined to get it done because I need a sink. I need a faucet. Otherwise, I guess I'll be putting my old one back. And I don't want to because it doesn't shut off properly. Anyway, let's get started, I guess. Let's try and finish this beast. This is the new one, and this is actually longer than the other one. So please, I'm crossing my fingers. Oh, I need this.
Times when I wanna be lonely. There are times when life can be downright cruel. Life is up and it's down, oh it's all love, that's how you remind me. Oh, that it's good to have a friend like you. Oh, that it's good to have a friend like you.
It's working, I think, I hope. I'm returning the Amazon one. That one was a big fat bee. Okay, next. There's the quick connector to the receiving block. Simple, 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 so far.
If there is a warm cup of coffee,
Now I'm gonna flush the water.
to share it's with you.
works. I don't have hot water though. Oh, there we go. See, that literally took me 10 minutes to install this one. It's just the other one didn't fit just the way that the sink was installed.
Midnight runs from red and blue lights. Wherever light
And I have water. I have a tap. I have a tap. I'm gonna do the happy dance. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Much better. Much better. Now I've got this huge ass mess to clean. That's fun. Now I just gotta put all this stuff back. So that'll be a chore. And then hopefully see if we can put the sink organizer together. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but we'll try. No leaky, no leaky.
all that it's
I'm so happy.
to have a friend like you. There are times when I wanna be lonely. There are times when life can be downright cruel. Yeah. Life is up and it's down, oh it's all love, that's how you remind me. Oh, that it's good to have a friend like you.
Okay, my kitchen is an absolute disaster, but we'll get to that. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna open this and see, put it together. Hopefully it works, but we'll see. I don't know. We will see. I need something other than what I have. And I'm probably a little bit backlit, so if my face looks like it's dark, then I've tried. I gotta get other lights.
Taking my time in the sunshine.
The scissors were right there. They're never where you want them to be. Ever. But they were this time.
Me and everyone that has come to find this world is cruel, but there's nothing new. Living in the moment is the only truth. But let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. But
I
let's
don't know
go
if this is gonna
slow.
work. It's been the story of my life today. Nothing's been working.
Sorted towns are where I'd rather be. They give me love and they set me free. The ocean's tides can live without the moon. And darling, the same goes for me and you. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. But let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. But let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only
Well,
truth.
that one fits. That one fits. That one fits. Does this one fit? I don't know. Oh my gosh. They fit. There goes my light. A little aggressive. Okay, I'm gonna finish these up. And then I'm gonna move the camera.
Living in the moment is the only
That's That's awesome. We both fit. I'm so happy.
Taking my time as the sun it shines on me and everyone that has come to
Pretty
find.
fancy.
This world
Not
is
really.
cruel, but there's nothing new. Living
You know.
in the moment is the only truth. But let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. But let's go slow. Salted towns where I'd rather be.
Ooh, fancy. We'll see how they work. So I got to try and get, or I'm going to try and organize all that. It's such a pile of just mess into here. So give it the good old college try. So yeah, these are a little flimsy. I mean, they'll work for now until I get something better, but you know, I'm just trying to stay on a budget. So for now, this works. So I'm not sure. See, a lot of these cleaners I don't even use, and I don't even know what's in here. I don't know if this was empty and I put something else in it. It says it's shower cleaner. I'm just gonna throw it out because, or recycle it somehow. So yeah.
Turned his back on you. Even the walls, I watched them crumble and blame us. I need some shelter, or at least an answer.
I'll probably reorganize this, but because it took me about 4 hours to figure out the sink, I've hit a brick wall. So I'm gonna clean up this, and it's probably close to dinner. I'm gonna start making dinner. So yeah.
But I know that it's true. We fight for what we will do. I'm not as strong as I thought I was.
Whoa. Now that I took out all of my tools, now I gotta put them all back. Not that I needed any of them. Well, I needed a screwdriver and that could go there.
Even our words have no meaning. 'Cause everything we should say can never find its way out of our doubts. I need some shelter, or just a reason. Can I hold on to you until I know what is true?
So what I'm gonna do is I had bought in some pink stuff. It was, I think I talked about it in another video. Maybe, I hope. Anyway, I've always wanted to try it because I've seen that it does some really wonderful things. Now I'm used to what I usually do is I use baking soda with some essential oil. I've got orange in here right now, and then like a drop of dish soap, and it usually makes the sink nice and shiny. I heard this does the same thing. So I thought next time, because I used this, I'm gonna compare the two and see, because I'm curious. So yeah, let's do this.
I'm not as strong as I thought I was. Everything we
not sure. Let's open up the blinds and see. Ooh, I don't know. I don't know. I think it's about the same. I like the smell of the baking soda and essential oils better though. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for today's vlog. It was an adventure. I started this at 11 o'clock this morning and it's 5 o'clock. So yeah, it was a while. I've definitely hit a brick wall. And now I'm gonna eat dinner and relax and maybe edit this video. Anyways, please like and subscribe and put a comment down below if you have any ideas or if you want to, if there's anything that you would like to see, please do so. It will help me out. Anyways, you guys all have a wonderful day, morning, evening, from wherever you are. Cheers.